When working individually or within a group, having your assets for a project in one place can make the creation of your project so much smoother and quicker. One of the amazing features of Adobe Spark is the ability to create libraries, add assets to those libraries, and share those libraries with somebody else. Now, this is an amazing way for students to be able to share assets while working on group projects. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a library, add assets to those libraries, and share those libraries. The first step in creating a library is going over to the left side, and here you have your menu. I'm going to choose Libraries. Notice that you have Libraries up top as a title. You then have Your Libraries. These will be the libraries that you create. Shared with You will be libraries that other people have shared with you. Following will be other people's libraries that you are following. So I'm going to go back to Your Libraries. And down here, I'm going to click Create Library. I'm going to give my library a name. And I'm going to choose Create Library. And when I do so, the library will be created. Now, once the library is here, the first thing you want to do is you want to edit your library so you can add assets to your library. Now, up top right here, you do have a 3-button icon that you can invite other people, you can rename your library, or you can delete your library. So we're going to double click and edit our library. And then in here, notice that we have the Add Assets button. So we're going to click on Add Assets. And then we're going to navigate to the folder where we want to add our assets. I'm going to marquee select all 3 of these images and choose Open. Notice that all 3 of my assets are brought inside of my folder. If I wanted to rename them, I could click here and I could click Rename. And I'm just going to call this man.png and click away. To get back to my original folder, I'm going to come up top here because see, I'm inside the Glenn folder. I'm going to click back. And now I'm back outside of my original folder that I've just created. In order to share the folder, I can click here in the drop down and choose Invite. Here I can type in an email and I can choose to invite the individual, or I can choose to send them a message. I can also have them view the file. They can view and share the file. They can edit the file. They can edit and share the file. So these are the options that I have. In order to send the email, I merely click Invite. And then the email will go off to that particular individual. So in this quick tutorial, we've looked at how to create a library, add assets to that library, and share that library with someone else.